को ये क्लियर नहीं होता।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, I will tell you about the Latin learning. What are Latin learning? It is basically the type of learning that occurs in the animal and the complex animal. First of all, Latin learning basically the hidden learning, which is say you are not sure what you want to learn. Which is say, but when you given the condition of any condition, you will continue explore. Understand? You will continue explore to understand them. Understand? So basically the Latin learning is called the exploratory learning. Mean to say you want to explore. For example, when you give an example of rats, one rat present in the maze. Understand? The maze doesn't know what to do, but they explore throughout the maze and they understand about the opening and the closing of the maze. Understand? Opening and closing of the maze. Mean to say they understand about the way where the maze is now open and now is closed. Understand? So animals have no given reward. In this learning, the animal is not given to reward, but the animal has ability to explore, to find the truths, to find the basics way where the maze open or closed. Understand? So these are the kind of the Latin learning. So for example, I give you example here. They given the example of rat. Understand? Whenever rat is placing in the maze, so they don't understand where to go, but they can't explore the opening of the way and the closing ways of the maze. But when you place a food, in the first you don't play any rewards in the maze and you don't put any food in the maze. But when you put this any food and give reward to the maze, in these situations, for example, they continuously at a side where the food is present, because they now explore, they don't understand where the food is present and not. Understand? So in this case they don't have any need to hard work, because they continuously understand where the food is present and where to go. As a result, they pick up their reward by using the previous observation experiment, which the maze rats perform when they don't, where there is no any food put in the maze. Understand? When we don't put any food in the maze, so they don't understand where to go, but they explore the maze and found it ways and different ways and understand their paths. So when we put the food, they immediately reach the side where the food is placed. Understand? By using the previous knowledge and observation. So first of all, the Edward Tolman for the first scientists who performed experiment on the maze rats. First of all, in group one, he divided the experiment 3 major group into group first. Understand? And he put the rats in the maze and allowed them to move throughout the maze and explore the maze. First of all, in the group A, rats make a lot of error while understanding the different parts of the maze. Understand? And there is no any rewards present in the maze. But on the 17 days, understand? On the 17th day, they understand about the different parts of the maze and easily understand about the maze. Is after doing a lot of error in the group B. After the 17 days, he put the food in the side of maze. Understand? Though the rats which are already now about the different parts and different corners of the maze, now they by using their sense and by using the previous observation, they easily reach toward the side where the food is present. So in the group C, again he removed the food and without any rewards. Mean to say, he again removed the food and allowed the rat to explore throughout the maze. So they, without any errors, they don't make any errors. Understand? On the 11th days, and they continuously reach toward a different side of the maze, because they already know where the pass about the pass and corner of the maze. So in the 11th day, he again put the foods. So they quickly reach with the side where the food is present by using the previous knowledge. So they proper learn. This learn is actually the Latin learning. Understand? The learning, hidden learning, the exploratory learning, in which the rat explore through the maze and by using the previous observation, they get and rewards. So in the next step, what this is basically when we talk about the Latin learning. Understand? When we talk about the Latin learning, it is basically the cognitive types of learning. Cognitive types of learning. And we need to say the why rat easily reach with a sky where the food is present, because they make up proper minds map. By using this map, they easily reach over the side where the food is present, and this is basically their cognitive ability, their mind capacity. So they proper make up the mind setup. So and by map and by using the environment. For example, the maze is the environment of the rats. So they use the up their mind cognitive ability. They explore for the path of the maze and easily reach over the side where the food is present and easily explore the opening and the closing ways of the maze. So these are the map. By using these maps, so they continuously they solve the puzzle. Understand? So the next one is inside learning. Inside learning is basically the type of learning, but inside learning there is a sudden idea come in the mind and you solve the any problem by sudden observation, by sudden and quickly. Understand? You solve the problem by sudden and quickly. So in lateral learning you need to explore, and but in inside learning, by using your sudden ideas that come in our mind and we solve the problem but in a sudden ways. So that is the called inside learning. In a situation we aha situations involved because we solve the problem without an explanation, but by using the sudden idea that come in our mind. So inside learning was first explored by the Wolfgang Kohlers in 1882, 1967. He performed experiment on the chimpanzee. He placed the chimpanzees in an inside area where he placed the boxes on a different side. In this case, he hanging the bundle of the banana with the ceiling fans. But in this case, the chimpanzee explore, and by using the inside learning, he has first of all placed the largest box and then placed the smallest box over the largest box and easily reached toward the banana which is hanging over the ceiling fan. So ceiling fan. The next one experiment was performed by the Lawrence Goodall. Lawrence Goodall performed experiments, and he in his experiment he used that he observed that the chimpanzee used the crumpled leaf as sponges to drinking water. So that by using these are the kind of the inside learning. Inside learning means hidden sudden learning, that animal learns suddenly without any performance and experiment. Understand? And it continuously do with the suddenly and immediately by using the capacity and the ideas that are coming suddenly in the minds. So chimpanzees use the crumpled leaves as a sponge to drink water because they better now understand as a sponge, because they now that if any material, if any impurities present in the crumpled leaf water, so they can remove by the use of the sponge. So that is the kind of the inside learning that was given by the Lawrence Goodall. Lawrence Goodall perform experiment as a sponges. So these are the diagrammatical representation. First of all, he presented the hanging the banana. This for experiment of Wolfgang Kohler in 1882 and 1967. He hung the banana over the ceiling fan and placed the boxes on a different side inside the room where the boxes are present. First of all, he placed the small size box, large size boxes, then placed the small size boxes, and also he placed the stick. So he picked up the stick which was present inside the rooms. So by the inside learning, so he quickly reached to the side where the banana is hanging over a ceiling fan and picking up this the banana which are hanging inside the room. So these are the topics. In this topic we study about the lateral learning and inside learning. I hope you understand. If you have any query, any question, you may ask in the comment section.